Yeah, this is our 45 OPP Bob Tiffin Special Allegro bus. And it's got the freestanding dinette, sofa, and the television that comes up out of the cabinet over there, and it's got the TV recliners here. And it's in the color I love, it's white. It's got the, I don't know, what do we call this white?
White linen.
White linen, it's got the white linen, it's got the special floor, heated tile floor. Let me tell you, the heated tile floor is one of the best things that you could have. It's got a, when you get out of the bed in the morning and put your feet down on this cold, what would be a cold floor, it's nice and warm. Nice and warm. And this comes with a special edition that's got the picture of the 41 Packard and the 40 Packard. And there's the radiator semblance right there. Looks like a 40 radiator, and looks like a Packard radiator. And just down it. Then we got the dishwasher here. We got the storage here. Convection microwave oven. Plenty of cabinet spaces. Drawers to pull out. And it's got the arrowheads. See, we locked the west, so Judy said, well, we need to have arrowheads here, and so we made the arrowheads there. So those items are about it for the, and they made the front bumper on the Packard right there. See there's the surround sound. That recognizes the bumper like on the Packard. And then we've got a Coca-Cola cooler here. It really works nice. It's got shelves in it. Locks down. We got a lock. Refrigerator. Got a refrigerator lock, which is neat. And then got the big freezer. And we got a pantry here. Look at there. Deep pantry. All on rollers. No problem to get it in and out. Self-closing doors. And then over here you got a nice storage for the silverware. And then you got one here for these drawers. And then this is a top cut place to put stuff on, cut if you want to cut it. I wouldn't recommend cutting on that because you'll scratch it. But it's a really nice solid surface. We got 3 drawers there, and all the drawers and the cabinets are locked themselves. Yeah, and back in the back here we have this special edition. It's got 2 bathrooms. It's got a bath and a half. Yeah. And we got the spider control. See, you got the place to hit the water pump right there. And then you got the air conditioner control here. 68 degrees. Then got them all on. I'll turn that one on. And then it's got the 4 controls here as well. This is really nice. And it's got this bed that gets out of the way. Look at that bed. Then they got a big television at the end. Got the fireplace here under the TV in the bedroom. And this is the bathroom. You got a double vanity and nice medicine cabinets here for all the stuff that you need, and a big shower for big folks. Our people through the years have got taller. Have you noticed that? We've got a 7-foot ceiling here, 84 inches. So you get a guy that's, if he's under 7 feet, he can stand in here. And then go back there and film the closet. It's really nice. It's got a washer and dryer back there. And there they are. And then we've got a hen's nest too. You know where it's at? The hen's nest is right there. That's for shoes. That's what the guys at the plant call that. It's the hen's nest. Yeah. And this bed goes up and down. See, it's really a neat deal. When it comes out, it lays down flat, and you can leave it like that.
Yeah, so you can sit up and watch TV.
Right, and then when the slot outs come in, then you still have a big space to walk by the bed. Yeah.
How many of this are building?
82.
82.
I don't know what number this one is, but we're going to be at 82 right now.
Is there a significance behind 82?
No, just because that's 82, because I'm 82 years old.